Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy S21 mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to change language. So guys, first of all you have to go into the settings option. You can see over here settings option, and then you have to select the general management option. So you just scroll down and then you will see an option over here which is general management. You see these three line icons, so you have to select it. Okay, this is general management option, and the very first option over here is about language, so you have to enter into the language option. Here you see the end language option. You can add the language, so there are a lot of languages option over here. You can see Filipino, Espanol, Indonesian, so all languages are over here. You can scroll down to look for your language which you want to select. Okay, and now you are able to select your language. For example, I select this language. Okay, and then it will ask you to set it as default or keep current. So you select it set as default, so the language of the phone will be changed. Okay, so it will be this language which I selected. Okay, so if for example you don't know what language is your phone and you don't know how to change it, so simply just remember this setting icon. You see this settings icon, just enter, and then simply just go down and you see the three lines icon. Okay, three white colors line you can see over here. This icon I'm talking about. So this is the general management option, so you just select this icon, this general management option. Okay guys, and then in this one you have to select the very first option. It is about language, so just select it. Okay, and here you see all the languages. Okay, and you can also add the language by click the plus button. Okay, so I select this English language now, and then if you want to add language you can also add language. This tick sign is for the current default language of the phone. So this is how you can add or you can select the language for your phone. Simply settings, and then you can go into the general management option, and here you select the very first option is about language. Okay, and then you can see over here different language. If you want to add a language and you don't want to select it as default, you can also do it. For example, I select this language, and here you see the option of keep current and set as default. So I select the keep current option, so the language will be added, but the phone language, the current phone language will be the same, which is English. So it's very easy for you. You can add as many languages in your list. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.